Welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda, and this is my kitchen. Grab your trusty wooden spoons and join me for an evening in Forio. Taking the bus from Panza to Forio Harbour is just minutes away. Once you reach the harbour area, the hustle and bustle begins. You'll see cafe bars and specifically Captain Morgan, the place you buy all your island excursion tickets.
When I'm in Forio, this is one of my favorite fruit stands. Frutto colla, lucci. Oh, the freshest of fresh. You can't get any better. I love it. The mozzarella di bufalo, perfect. Yeah, so good, so good. But this is when I'm in Forio. I shop this fruit stand right here. Grapes. Look at that. Look at the watermelon. So good. The limones. Ciao. Ciao. The fifties, the remains of the day here. It's after 7, so. And the ciliegia. Wow. This is so good. Melanzane. Pomodorini. Pepperoncini.
And as we walk away from the harbour, we walk up towards the Piazza and Forio town centre, and we're greeted with the sights and sounds of charming yesteryear. Well, I think I'll stop for a bite in Forio town centre, but not before I take a photo at this beautiful fountain right smack in the middle of Forio. Well, tonight's dish will include alice marinate, which you can see here is dressed with rucola or rocket, or what we Americans call arugula. That will be my appetizer, and I will douse it with more olive oil. It's the best of the best. And yes, here's my entree. I chose calamaro alla brace. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please, if you haven't subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Stay tuned as I bring you much more from the island of Ischia. Until we meet again, arrivederci. Ciao!